Hello and welcome to this tutorial video. Today I'm going to show you how to verify your Leeb device using all the tools inside your Equotip 550 box. You'll also be able to calculate your overall uncertainty. First thing first, set your device up. Take your test plug out of the box and make sure the surface of your test plug is fully cleaned. From the wizard, choose verification. You'll notice that your impact device is automatically detected. We need to add the test plug into Equotip 550 database first. On the test plug management screen, add your test plug. You have to input the information such as your serial number and obviously the hardness value of your plug. You find all this information on your test plug certificate. I'm going to add the hardness value of my plug. This case is 771 Leeb. The uncertainty of my test plug is 4.7. I'm going to add that in as well. You can add the calibration date as well. This is again on your test plug certificate. If you prefer, you can also add a little comment. Now you can see the test plug is added into the Equotip 550 database. Next thing, you can define what standard you want to comply to. In my case, I want to calculate the overall uncertainty of my system and comply to the ISO standard for Leeb. There are other parameters that you may need to define as well. Place your impact device on your test plug and perform number of impacts. In this case, we're going to do 10. And by doing so, we'll be able to calculate the overall uncertainty of our system as well. When the testing is done, you'll notice the device says the verification is passed. This data is now stored inside the device. You can access the verification data and review them when needs be. Thank you for watching this video, and we hope you find it useful.